Hey, stepped outside in my backyard, and we got a little treehouse, a refuge center for the boys. And every time I come outside, they kind of run away, which is bird for "oh fuck, here he comes," and they take off. But need I remind you, I'm kind of the landlord around these parts. Show some gratitude, you adorable bastards. Look at this. All right, this boathouse represents not only a safe haven for the birds, but is rather the start of a love story between two birdikins. Yeah, it's true. As soon as that little house went up, the one bird kind of flew on the top. And then he sees another bird. Now this other bird, I don't know if she's I fucking him or I fucking the house. Or she needed a place to stay, or she was destitute and shit. Because she was like, he's like, yeah, you like that shit? Come on over. She's like, I don't know, it seems kind of sketchy. Woman, just pop your head in for 2 seconds. And well, a couple of visits later, he knocked her up. Because now I'm hearing the sound of little chickadees. Now I don't know why I felt necessary to zoom in my mouth for the little chickadee sounds. Because I was afraid it would come in. What did you say? What? I'm doing the bird noises. So, anyways, yeah. Now is she with child? So, the moral of the story is, if you see, there it is, one little house for you and me. Just say hi, birds, and say, yo, what up? This place is fucking bomb. It's a nice a crib, if you will. So yeah, thanks for the crib, Albie. I didn't actually build the birdhouse. I'm just talking a lot of shit.